my way to somewhere far, and tell me who's lucky, because this car is empty. It's only me. Yay! Traveling alone. Grabe sa'yo kay ko ni Mata. Pero kung mag-work, magreklamo po sa'yo mo Mata. Ay! Hi! Say hi to my vlog! Guys, we're on our way to the museum. And we have to walk quite far. 2 minutes. Oh my gosh! We have to walk 2 minutes. But, spring na siya. Ta-da! It's spring, guys. It's not that cold anymore. It's warm today. We're on our way to the next museum. Yeah. Valley Gallery. There. And kamera ang tao naglakaw-lakaw diri. My gosh. But this is the view. Hello. Yeah. Now Shima Island. Team cams ka na? Gosh, nalimutan ko na ang aking vlog. Oh my. Annyeong! We're going to the Yayoi Kusama Pumpkin. And as you all know, I'm a very big fan of Yayoi. So, bahalag ani ang dalan. Basta doon yun ang pumpkin ni Yayoi. This is day 2. This is our last day here. Let's go. Today's itinerary is castle and garden, and we're planning to go to Krish. Nakalimut ako sa kong vlog. Nakalimut ko sa kong vlog, guys. Bati kayo. Na-busy yun. So this is day 2. Very good weather. Not too cold. It's warm today. But I'm still wearing this because wala lang. Wala man ako gibilin. Kapoy yung vlog, uy. Reklamo pa na eh. Ay, DVD mo.